Welcome to Heeksun Krakon, here be dragons. We have done it. We have genetically engineered the ability to have a virgin birth into a species that normally requires two parents. A study published in the journal Current Biology claims that scientists have managed to turn on genes that allow a virgin birth in an animal that usually reproduces sexually. Don't worry, men, we are still needed, as this so far only works on the fruit fly. Once enabled, the ability to have a virgin birth is passed on through the generations. The offspring can reproduce either sexually, if there are males around, or by virgin birth if there aren't. For most animals, reproduction is sexual. It involves a female's egg being fertilized by a male sperm. Virgin birth, or parthenogenesis, is a process by which an egg develops into an embryo without fertilization by sperm. A male is not needed. The offspring of a virgin birth are not exact clones of their mother, but are genetically very similar and are always female, which makes those 80s movies about the last male alive not so far-fetched. In the experiments, only 1 to 2% of the second generation of female flies with the ability for virgin birth produced offspring, and this occurred only when there were no male flies around. When males were available, the females mated and reproduced in the normal way. To make this happen, researchers first sequenced the genomes of two strains of another species of fruit fly, one that needs males to reproduce, the other reproduces only through virgin birth. They identified the genes that were switched on or switched off when the flies were reproducing without fathers. Once identified, the researchers altered what they thought were the corresponding genes in the model fruit fly, and it worked. The research involved over 220,000 virgin fruit flies and took 6 years to complete. Key to the discovery was the fact that this work was done on the fruit fly. The researchers say it would have been incredibly difficult in any other animal. This fly has been the model organism for research in genetics for over 100 years, and its genes are very well understood. Luckily, currently, human births are still in the realm of science fiction. For now. Have a good day.